Hello everyone, doing a walkthrough video. This is entryway, tile floor, new carpet, fresh interior paint. Hall to the bedroom, off to the right. They put extra trim around the ceiling. Everything in the kitchen is new. The wood cabinets are unpainted, but that could be easily addressed. Very small pantry there, little utility room, and then a big 2-car garage. Extra little sitting room here. Area off the living. Could be sectioned off for an office or something like that. Double doors here out to a nice big backyard with a nice fence all the way around. Enough room here for a pool, definitely. Okay. Arch ceilings or high ceilings. And then you have your first bedroom here on the right off of the hallway. You can see they painted all gray through here, and each closet is a walk-in. A little rough here. Walk-in closets. Hall bathroom, full bath. New vanities, everything. Lots of improvements here. Again, another little bedroom with walk-in closet. And then they have an interesting master suite here. They have master bedroom. Sorry. And then they have this additional room. When they bought the house, this was a 4-bedroom, and it used to be a 4-bedroom, and this room was already converted to adjacent room for the master. So extra sitting area, could be a workout, could be a nursery area, and then of course, master bath. About the same size as the other. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. It's a great little property, 6913 Nob Hill. And great starter home. Alrighty. Thank you. Bye.